Mission at Chisholm Trail Technology Center is to prepare individuals for success in life and in work. The Health Careers program is doing this by assisting students in reaching their goals. Through our clinicals, work-based learning, and simulations in the lab, the high school and adult students in health careers will complete our program with hands-on experience. At this point, students are career-ready and prepared for further education. This is beneficial not only to our students, but to the health industry, which is facing a workforce shortage. Anything that they want in healthcare, we try to get them exposed to as much healthcare as possible, because it's not just nursing and doctors that we see. There's a million other jobs out there that healthcare is a part of.
What I mainly teach is anatomy and physiology, and also teach medical terminology. And then I help a lot with our work-based learning, which we're really proud of, where we have students going out during the time that they would normally be in class, and they're getting paid to do the job that we've trained them to do here, and something that they're interested in doing as they further their career in health.
Aside from partnering with our sending schools within the local area, we also partner with area facilities, so our long-term care facilities, and they have the option to send their current employees out here for further certification. So whether it be getting their long-term care CNA certification, maybe they want to take it a step further and become a certified medication aid or an advanced medication aid.
It's been very hands-on, since we have many mannequins that we're able to use and to help us learn to do the skills that we're required to do.
With our anatomy and physiology, one of the things I'm really excited about is that we're partnering with Southwestern Oklahoma State University now. And so our students are going to get 7 hours of college credit with Southwestern for A&P 1, and then also medical terminology and a class that they call Allied Health Careers, which we do job shadowing and career exploration. These are virtual reality systems. It's really a three-dimensional world that students can get in. It's kind of a supplement to our labs. So we do traditional dissections and diagrams and all the ordinary things that you do in an anatomy lab, and it just really takes it to the next level on your learning. Kind of brings things out of the page of the textbook.
If you have a heart for serving others, love learning, and want a career in an ever-evolving industry, Health Careers is the place for you.